In this video, we will explore the complexities of paper writing, and the solutions experts provide for amateur writers. The foremost and significant point of paper writing is understanding the topic at hand. The paper is doomed if the writer does not comprehend the topic properly and begins drafting with half the information. Even if the writer is well versed with the subject but does not like the theme they have picked, they will lose interest in writing very easily. You must be passionate about the paper you opt to write. Choose topics and themes that excite you. If the writer feels lost before or while researching, the paper may not conclude in the manner they expect. The only few reasons a paper fails in the research part are either when the sources are unreliable or improper investigation. The key to good research is ensuring the resource's credibility and digging deep into the matter for better comprehension. Do not copy others' work, write in your own language. Copying content from anywhere will be flagged as plagiarized while checking for authentication. Paraphrasing the content you have selected from a resource is necessary to avoid plagiarism. Use tools that can detect the copied content easily. Such tools need premium subscription on majority of the websites. However, at Instant Assignment Help, we offer an easy-to-use free plagiarism tool for all students. Too much complex vocabulary for an academic paper writing is neither good for the writer nor the reader. If you draft a paper using complicated language, you may end up making your document rather tough to comprehend and analyze. When you ask, how to write a paper outline, the simplest answer is the most significant one. To write an outline or structure, jot down points that you will keep in mind while writing a paper. Be sure about what you intend when you write a paper. Is it descriptive, analytical, persuasive, or critical? Choosing the correct type will set the guidelines for content. Every institution has its set of guidelines they follow, and they do not like when the writers deviate from these rules. Therefore, stick to every formatting, structuring, writing, researching, publishing, etc., every rule that tags along with the particular paper you are writing. If you do not proofread your content before submitting it, there is a full possibility of rejection. The first draft is never perfect, whoever writes the content. You must go through the paper multiple times for it to become submission worthy. Because while you proofread, you will find errors and inconsistencies that should be edited with competency. There is no score of mistake while presenting an academic paper. A writer cannot be objective toward multiple points of view. In making the content more acceptable to the majority of readers, it is important to get a second opinion. That is, you must get your content read by a few people before you finalize the draft. The suggestion they provide may prove fruitful for your paper. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully, the tips mentioned will help you create a brilliant paper. Do not be disheartened if your content doesn't come out perfectly on the first attempt. We will be back to help you. Until then, like, share, subscribe.